Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. In Bharatiya Samskriti, there are many ways to beget the desired result from yajnas. Sahayajna praja srishtva purovaja prajapatihi anena prasavidvishva yeshavotishta kamadukh devan dhavayadanena tan devan bhavayandu vaha parasparam bhavayandaha shreya paramavapyasa, tells the Gita. Hence, if you want something beyond your power, definitely you can go and have a consultation with the good Vaidika or Guru. He will guide you to perform Mandrika Puja to beget the desired result. Such practices are very much available in Kerala, and definitely you will get the desired result. Moreover, Arogyam Bhaskaradicched Shriyamiched Hudasanadh, tells the Shastras. If you need prosperity or to prosper in your life, definitely you will have to perform fire rituals, that is, fire sacrifices or yagas. In yagas, the Vedica Sampradaya is there, where the Veda mantra will be chanted, as well as Tantrika Sampradaya is there, where the Tantric ideas were fitted, and Mandrika Sampradaya is there, where the Mandrika will do a special puja and havens to attract, to disturb, to beget, to conquer, for everything. There is separate ways are told in Mandrika Siddhi. Kularnava Tantra, Rudrayamala, Mantra Mahotadi, Mandravada Tilagha are mentioning how, when, where and whom to perform such havens or pujas with a special purpose. Here, for better understanding of general public, I am attaching a video clip on the Mantravada procedures done somewhere else in Kerala. If you want something will be what I want to be, that is the mantra for a winner. For them, it is the easy way to receive the special wounds from the deities concerned to attract a lady, to attract money, to attract many, to attract everyone. Such puja or havans will be a way given by our seers. Hence, enjoy this session, and if you are very much particular to know more or to do something on behalf of you, please contact S4 Shastra for your better life and prosperity. Don't hesitate to contact Dr. Padur Subramania Shastrigal 8943340423 for pursuing your horoscopic details first, and after for the pujas and havans and dhanas for the betterment of your life. Wish you all the best, and please share and do the